Hi partner, welcome to our channel, The Hungry Partner. Our recipe on this video is a French toast, but a Filipino style. So stay tuned. Let's start. First, kailangan natin ng dalawa mong itlog. Char! But of course, we need 2 fresh eggs. Next, we need 1/4 cup of evaporated milk. Or if you don't have an evaporated milk, you can also use a fresh milk or all-purpose cream. Next, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. And of course, we need a tablespoon of condensed milk or a teaspoon of sugar. Just mix it up and add some salt to taste. Also, let's put a drop of vanilla syrup, but this is an optional. Vanilla will add an aroma to our toast. Just mix all the ingredients well until everything is smooth. Okay, time to dip the bread. We can dip up to 5 to 6 sliced bread. As of now, we are using a gardenia bread, but any will do. By the way, partner, did you know that white bread is fortified with calcium? 4 slices per day would provide us over 30% of the recommended daily intake of calcium, which we need every day to maintain healthy bones and teeth. It is also a good source of dietary fiber, which helps to keep our digestive system healthy. And aside from that, it is a good source of iron. And iron is important for energy and concentration. This will make our immune system healthy and our blood healthy. And the good thing about white bread is it is very accessible. You can always buy it in your favorite bake shop or bakery. Alright partner, time to toast. We'll heat the pan and put a tablespoon of cooking oil. And we will also brush a margarine or butter if you have on our pan. We are using margarine to make the French toast a Filipino style. By the way, partner, how are you? I hope you are enjoying this video. If yes, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell button. Okay, after a minute, let's flip it up. And let's wait it for a few minutes and we will repeat it on other slice of bread. And after a few minutes, ta-da!
My God! Wow!
Presenting our French toast Pinoy style. Let's sprinkle some cinnamon powder, and if you have syrup, go ahead and put it on the French toast. Time to taste test. Go ahead and try it, partner. So soft and I love it. Thank you for watching. We also have other videos on our channel and the link is on the description. We have tapsilog, sinigang na mackerel, honey garlic chicken wings, pininyahang manok, giniling na tofu, sotanghon gisado, air-fried lumpiang Shanghai tofu with sweet and sour sauce, and many more. If you have questions and suggestions, go ahead and put a comment below.